The festival of Navratra is famously known as Shardiya Navratra Utsav in Maharashtra, in which the puja of Ghata is being performed, which is known as Ghatasthapana. For this ritual, the soil is collected from farmers' field. One day before Navratra, the puja is being performed in houses and temples. To begin the vidhi, water is being sprinkled over paper dish which is known as patravadi, and then collected soil from field is being spreaded over the patravadi. Over this soil, various kinds of seeds are being sown. This custom is deeply rooted into the agricultural tradition of Maharashtra. As one can find, the reason behind this whole process of sowing seeds into the soil is to test the quality of soil from the field. So, from the yielded results, farmer gets to know what type of seed or crop he or she can sow in his or her field. One have to mix properly the seeds into the soil. After sowing the seeds and properly mixed with the soil, a gutter or pot with full of pure water is placed over the soil. One can add haldi kumkum into the pure water of pot and then perform puja of pot by stroking the haldi kumkum tikas. After the puja of pot, over that pot people arrange betel leaves in such manner that they can place Srifal or coconut over the leaves. Coconut or Srifal is considered as Lakshmi or goddesses, so here we can notice the symbolism that she is witnessing the development of seeds into the plants, as Shakti represents fertility and reproduction. The next ritual in this Sthapana is adding garland of leaves and then flowers and tying them to the coconut placed over the Kalasha with the Devaghara. This type of garlands is tied on every day of Navratra. After that, the puja of Supari, considered as Ganapati, is being performed. Then the Naivedya is given to the god and water is sprinkled all over the soil for the better plantation of seeds. And you can see how beautifully the seeds are growing into the plants. Even during the Navratra Utsav, woman recites various shlokas like Sri Sukha.
जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते आई मयि दीनदयालु त्वया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुने आई जगतो जननीति यथासि मयासि तथानुमतासि रमे यदुचितमन्त्र भवद्गुरुतं पुरुषाम्भवि देवि दयां करो मे.
On the last day of Navratra, which is known as Khande Navami, Ayudh Puja or Shastra Puja, coconut is being removed from over the Kalasha and distributed as prasad. It is supposed that gods and goddesses put their weapons or shastra down on the Shastra Puja and take rest. In Maharashtra particularly, people places weapons on the leaves of apta. In modern days, we collect all small weapons like scissors, knives, and other electric tools like screwdriver, hammer, plier, etc., and do their puja. About the importance of apte leaves, in Maharashtra particularly, in olden days, apte tree is grown outside the village, and people used to go outside village gates or ways and collect the leaves of same tree and put the weapons over and worship it, as Devi demolished Rakshasas with the attributes she possesses. As every festival is the energy booster, so this one is increasing our faith towards the power of Devi and connection between actual agricultural life of Maharashtrian people and legends we are believing since ages from generation to generation.